Tapping on acupressure points releases negative energy that's trapped in your body. You can learn this technique and use it to help you and your loved ones heal from past experiences. You can use it to feel clear and free to make choices that feel good to you. After attending my foundational level EFT1 training, you will be able to demonstrate and explain how to tap on tapping points. Ask the right questions to find the underlying cause of your discomfort. Adequately apply the EFT protocol to ease identified issues. Use EFT to release anxiety, phobias, and cravings. Develop and work through your own personal peace plan, and much more. Go to ttohc.com for more information and to sign up for the next beginner's level training so you can learn this profound and effective practice all for yourself.